Hello YouTube friends. In this video, we are going to see DTL, Django Template Language. So template is very important in Django framework. So template is like a HTML page or like a JSON or any other things like interacting with user and frameworks, right? So so far we are in the previous videos we have seen introduction and installation setup and the prerequisites, all those things we have seen in the, and also we created a project and we created an app in the previous one, and we try to print the hello world in the HTML page using Django framework and with the help of all the frameworks, right? So if you have not watched those things, please go to youtube.com and see the playlist called learn with me, the channel learn with me, and go to channel and see the playlist here. I've created 3 videos so far, Django web framework. So in the, yeah, I've covered all those things here. From now, if you have not watched those things, please try to watch those, so that what I'm trying to explain in Django template language, that you're able to understand it. And also, before I continue it, I'm not I'm trying I'm thanking all the new subscribers and followers, and I'm thanking the Facebook groups, Python and Django Facebook group. They are supporting the videos and trying to share all those things. And thank you so much. Yeah, I'm continuing here. One more thing, like so far I've explained all those things through Python. Ideally, from this video, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code ideally, because it's a better user experience. The syntax colors are very good, so that I can whatever that I'm trying to explain, that will be very helpful for you to understand the syntaxes and all. So from this video, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. And if you have not installed Visual Studio Code, it is very simple things. Like if you go to Anaconda, like just type Anaconda download. Anaconda is a packages. It has multiple, ideally for Python packages and all programming languages. Go to now click the first link and go to downloads here, installers. If you're using Windows, you can install either 64 or 32-bit, and if you're using Mac, similar, and Linux also. Just install it and then open the Anaconda application, and you can see Visual Studio Code. And you can just, or if once you installed it, I think you will be seeing Visual Studio Code. Just open it and you are good. And I think already explained in the introduction and setup video how we need to set up virtual environment through pip install, Python installing packages pip, and how to create project and how to start application in the previous videos. I think so far I'm good. I've already set up the virtual environment, and I'm going to like start from the project itself. I already set up the virtual environment, as well as I installed Django. Now, yeah, before yeah, so far we have done until view in the previous videos, and from this in this video we are going to cover the template part, and from in the next series we'll be we'll be learning model under databases, right? Once we learn this architecture, we are very good with the Django framework. That's what our we are trying to achieve it. So in this video, we are going to cover templates and how templates interact with Django framework. Yeah, and yeah, to create project, I'm coming from the beginning. I'm going to use Google as an example, and Google has multiple apps. First, I'll create a Google project now. To start project, Django admin start project and Google. Once you create Google, you will get a Google project, and manage.py we will be using to run server and create apps. And Google will have Django framework will have other components like settings, URLs, and WJ, ESJ. These are all already explained in the previous videos. And I will going to start one application now, and then I will be creating all first I will create just Gmail application. I'm not going to create bigger like very like a very good view or anything. I'm going to explain how templates works. I'm not going to use CSS or anything. I'm a simple template that explains how template works. Python manage.py. I'm not in Google application. CD Google. First, I need to go to the directory and then create app, start app. Yeah, Python manage.py, start app, and Gmail. Yeah, we have created Gmail app in the Google project, and you can see we have admin page, apps page, models page, test page, and view page. Let's try to run the server. Python manage.py run server. I'm going to use server port 8005. Yeah, without if you are running without it, it will default 8000 will be running. I think I'm already running 8000, so I'm using different port 8005. I need to use space. Yes, we got it. I'll be opening the link. So the framework is setup is successful. So for now, next what we are going to do is that in last video we try to use request HTTP request and response, right? Instead we are going to use template now. To use template, I'm going to create a template folder, templates, and inside I'm going to create one file, HTML file, index file, index.html. Here I'm going to just use h on header, and this is Gmail app or Google app, Google page. Okay, let's try to just view this page. Okay, we are not going to view directly. If we even open this will get displayed. But we need to access this template through URLs and through view, right? Yeah, as like before in previous video we tried to see this in a HTTP request and response. We are not going to use HTTP response now, but rather we are going to render this HTML. So I'm going to Gmail, and I don't have URLs now, and I'm going to copy this URL. You can create your own. It's okay. I'm just a little bit lazy. I'm going to delete this URL configuration, and I don't need this admin URL in app. I will delete this as well. I don't need this. Okay, very good. And I need to include the app URL here. So these already discussed in the previous video. The Gmail. Here include should be string Gmail URLs. Okay, and this is a list, so it has to be comma should be there. Okay, and we have included the Gmail URLs here, and we have to fix it here. Before that, okay, we have to view, right? Here we have render. We have to create a function that will call index.html. This index.html we have to call, right? So for that, we are going to definition index request. We'll get request from my server and return as an return render. Last time we used HTTP request. This time we are going to use render, and render inside we'll be using request and let's try index.html. Okay, we are viewing it. And URL pattern, what we did last time, we have to call this index, right? And for that, we need to import from, it's the same directory, we have to use from dot import use. I think no mistakes. If there is a mistake, there will be some error. And here, path, I think path. I'm going to do something here and use dot index, and name is not a mandatory one. I'm just using index. The only thing that we are doing new is just instead of HTTP response, request and response, we are using we are going to um, render this HTML page. Let's see whether it is working or not. It's page load error. Empty path didn't match up any of the Gmail. Google URLs. It is trying to reach. It is trying to reach here. Let's try whether Gmail is working. Okay, I think this is right, but the template is not loading postmortem because we are running the Gmail app and Gmail app index is here. And but the problem is that index.html it is not able to load. We have index.html in the templates folder, but why it is not loading? That's a question right here, right? We have created a templates folder here, but uh, did we anywhere know saying that this is available in templates? That is what we have to use settings. Settings contains all the all the configuration that we need to in the framework, right? So we have to search for the templates here, directories. Here you can view templates. This whatever that directories we are giving in the comma separated list, it will check um, all the directories and find the names, right? So when this views calling this index.html, it will first try to see the settings and take all the directories and check in all the directories whether that index.html is available or not. So we have set up the templates. What else we have to do here? I think that's it. Yeah, we'll try to run it. Same. Yeah, we have achieved a template, a simple template. We are able to run through server, Gmail server. Yeah, we can even use it. No, it doesn't matter what we write here. Gmail page. So what usually it will not be like that, right? We have to have some title, some what is it? Some title and like page name, hmm? Like that only we will have to create. So yeah, we will create all of them as I discussed in the first slide. We have to create all this web application. So we will create now. I'm going to have one more terminal. Okay, I have to activate it again. Okay, I will activate it. CD Google. Now I have to. The environment is available outside of Google. Here in the environment and scripts. Activate. It got activated. Virtual environment, the library I'm using here. And now I need to activate it. So I need to go to Google. Now I'm going to start creating projects. Start creating apps. Already we have one project and one app. I need to create other apps. Now we will create Python .py start app. Gmap. So we got Gmap, right? Yes, Blogger. We created 4 app, and we will use now. We will create 4 different HTML. Mail.html. Paste. Okay. Accident. I don't want the template. Okay, I'll create it. Gmail logger. This G drive. What else is to Gmail? Okay. And instead of index, what I will do is I'll just copy paste this. I let me keep this Google page, and I will use Gmail. Should I like for every page? Can I like just automate this, like reuse it instead of going to every blogger also? If this is blog page, instead of that, can I use some way we can like based on the application, this automatically will get changed. This automatically the name should get changed. So that is what we want to achieve in this tutorial, in this video. Okay. For that we have to have Jinja. So Jinja is a Django template. Django template. I will explain one. I know in the answer itself. For that, what we are going to have is in URL. Go to views here. Name equal to Gmail. Right. This is a Gmail one. If I use Gmail, and here I'm just going to give name. What happened to views? And render doesn't have name. Okay, I think what I should use. Let's go to URL. Let's try here. Let's run this. Not okay. Something wrong. We have to use this as a dictionary, not name. Let's see what I have done. Okay, there is a dictionary I'm using. Okay, this should be dictionary. Instead, name. Okay. This must be in use as in dictionary. Yeah. So yeah. In views, we are going to dynamically assign these values. So when Gmail app is calling, the name should get assigned to Gmail. So this is so here the name should get replaced to Gmail, Google, and in Gmail, oh, it's still calling index.html in the Gmail. So we have to change it to this index. Instead of index, we'll use Gmail, right? Now see, Gmail is just replaced. We didn't like in HTML, Gmail.html, we didn't use Gmail as in static content. Instead, we are calling this name on the page name from the views.py. So this is how we are dynamically dynamically assigning the values from the server. In Blogger also, I will change this to Blogger. We haven't actually updated URLs in blog app. We'll do that. We'll do that. But instead, what I'm going to do is, okay, we'll just call the same name. Sorry, we'll use that index itself. Okay, we'll use that index, and we are just copy pasting the entire things. Okay. Now, whatever the app I'm calling, see, I'm going to just use same use in every app. Okay, Blogger, same, and G Drive, same. I'm just this name alone. I'm going to change it. G Drive, Blogger also, Blogger. What else we have? Gmap, Gmap. So I'm calling all of them are index.html, and I think we have done. So what we did not do, let me try to run. We did Gmail, right? Let me try to run Blogger. It's not working because we don't. You can see only Gmail admin in the main Google framework URLs. We have only Gmail and admin. We don't have Blogger, or we don't have Gmap, or we don't have G Drive. So we have to include all the URLs in the app to the main URLs. We have only Gmail URL. So we have to do we have URLs here? We have not created any URL. So what we are going to do is from Gmail we just copy paste the URL. We are not going to do anything. We are just going to copy paste it. Blogger, I pasted it. Drive, I pasted it. What is the problem here? Views dot index. We have index here. Okay, maybe it's okay. Something is happening here. Let's try to see. I pasted here also. URLs. I think what is the problem here? Why it is not saying this? Okay. Use as no index. Why use as index? G drive. Here, if you see views as index, why it is showing that? Number silent. Should we come in? Let me just try to include first in Google. I need to include all of them. I'll just copy paste this. Here, here G drive and Blogger. Same pasting here. Okay. See all the apps available in Google. I've included in the main Google URL pattern. So only one error is showing here. I don't know why. I don't see any mistake here. Views available in views.py available, and we have imported successfully. The only problem is that views doesn't have index. Let me see whether the server is running. Server is not running. Gmail server is failed because I think because of the problem. G drive views has no attribute called index. G drive view, what could be the problem? G drive views has no attribute called index. I don't see any mistake here. Okay. I keep pressing save. It got, I don't know what was happened. Anyway, currently see Gmail is working, right? If I just move to Blogger is working. Even if I don't have any template here, even I didn't include, like, let me close all those things. I am removing this also. Gmail also, I don't need this also. Okay. Just index alone, I'm keeping it. Okay, nothing is having here. It just from the index. This is a Blogger page. When I load Gmap, this will say this is a Gmap page, because we are taking a dynamic content as Django template, and we are coming here. One more thing just before that. Now, as I wanted like a good looking, I want to like make this as, now if just install, want to extension, Jinja extension, just wanted to look good. The Django template looks good. See, if you see here, this, the extension of Django will help, Jinja will help the dynamic content that look better. Let me close it. See, previously it was like no color for the dynamic variable for the Jinja. Now it has a color to identify it's a different. So this is good. So far we done better. What I will do is for Gmail, I will create Gmail H3. In Gmail, what we'll have new email. Here inbox. Box. What else? Spam. Okay. And in Blogger, blog, edit blog, edit blog and delete blog, view blog, delete blog. And what else we have? Gmap. In Gmap, view. Okay, search address. Search address, view address. Okay, that's two we can have in G drive. Can we have here? um, upload file. Just creating a simple example to understand how dynamic content works. Upload file, and what we can do here, view file, edit file, and delete file. So we have created all those different application here in HTML, simple HTML, nothing big. And what we wanted to include here is, what I will do is, let just have this just name. We don't want like entire things. Okay. And here I will do H2 format. This is the index page always. And in the beginning, what I will do is H1. This is okay. And what I will do is entirely I will just create from the. This will create our template. So here I will do name. Okay, title is name. In body. H1. Site. What we can have here also name. This is application. Okay. So let's just print this. Okay. See, this is a Google website, and here you can see Gmap, and we can see Gmap as an app. And what we'll do is G Drive. We can see it. The title is G Drive, and application is G Drive. I will just create a simple line here to differentiate the remaining things. So line is created. Okay. Now we'll have to print. We'll have to see all the options available in each drive. So how can we do that? I'll have to extend this, this main content, main page, like this is a default options available in every application, but this app will change based on the URL. So what I will do is I will create one more Django format here. Use this format, block content. Okay, and I'm going to end block it. End block. So this is how this will be used to inherit other HTML page here. So here what I will do is same. I'm going to copy paste this in every HTML page before and end. Okay. And end block. The same content here from the index, it will inherit here. That's the whole idea about this Django dynamic template. Next, same. Let's try to see whether this is getting displayed or not. Here in G Drive, it doesn't change anything. The reason is that we are still calling the index page. We didn't call the individual app. We didn't call the individual app.html. What we are going to do is we are going to call, instead of index.html, we'll call This is a Google Drive, G Drive, and in Blogger we will call Blogger. And Gmap we'll call Gmap. We do everything. Gmap we have done. Okay, Gmap, Gmail. So I think we have done all those things. Let me close all of them. It is service running. Okay, Gmap we are seeing search address, view address. Why don't we see the title or header or the app name? We are trying to inherit it. G Drive, new blog, edit blog. Oh, why blog is coming? I think we made a mistake in G Drive. Where is G Drive? Here, blog. Okay, it has not refreshed. So upload file, view file, edit file. That HTML is coming, but it is not displaying the the app name or title or the website. It's not displaying. And I'll try to see the Gmail at least. Okay, new email inbox or outbox or spam. So something is wrong. The one thing is that we are not inheriting the index in the pages. We never have ask the index in the pages. So what we have to do is go to Gmail, just inherit it. Extend index.html. Okay, let's see whether it's working or not. Okay, something is wrong here. Something is wrong here. Extend. Okay, let me see the other programming. Okay, it should be inside the string. Yeah, mistake. HTML. So when we extend this is now when we extend this, the whole page will get displayed, inherited, right? So that's the whole concept here. Extend index.html. What is the error? Invalid block tag on line 1. Extend. Did you forget to register or load this tag? Why? I did not save it, I guess. That might be the reason. No, that's not the whole reason. Extend.html. Let's see here. Base.html is good. Okay, I think extends is the right word. Yeah. So you can see right here, this is a Google website, and we can see Google app is being dynamically assigned because the URL is Gmail, and all the options available for Gmail, like in new email or inbox, outbox, spam, is displaying under Gmail. When we try to also the title also Gmail. When we try to change to Gmap has title is gone mad, but I think many things gone mad. Okay, we have not extended what we have only extended in Gmail only. We have not extended in others. Yeah, we have not extended anything. We just copy paste this. Okay, I think we are almost reached what we want to achieve in this video. Yes, G Drive, we have the options of upload file, view file, edit file, and Gmap. We have Gmap title. This is a Google website. This is how we have that header, title, all the footers, all the options like menus, right? All those things will contain in the one page, and that will be inherited in the all other sub pages, right? In that case, we will use this as an we'll use all those in index.html, and then we'll just inherit it. And then whatever that we want to show that in the particular HTML particular page, we'll just show that in a block content. Now this end block, from now end block, this is the place where we will see. See, if you see here, I'm going to add a footer here after this, and also I will just here footer. This site is belongs to, usually we'll have footer, copyright, copyrights. Simple footer. I want this to um, display in all the pages, right? After this end block, let's see copyright at Google. And if you want to see G Drive, you see the same. So this is how dynamic content is will get. We can have how many apps we want, but now all the main content like menus, so headers, everything we have to display in one. We have to create it in one place, and then it will have to inherit it in all other pages. That is what all how template works. Um, I'm going to quickly cover one, walk through what we did so far. We have created first Gmail app, and then we try to print uh, the contents in the Gmail app from index.html itself, and then we created 4 different applications, and we have included all the URLs in settings.html. Sorry, in in URL patterns from the framework, and then we have added all the templates here: Blogger, G Drive, Gmail, Gmap, and we have added the directory path in templates directory, and we have added all the views. In views, all the we have added what is it? Why in bloggers will be okay? Yeah, URL only. It is calling the index. We try, but I don't think blogger. Why did we ever display blogger? See, blogger doesn't have, we made a mistake. We never tested this blogger. Okay, see, blogger, it has only the index pages because it was having only index pages. So now we got a new blog, edit blog, a view blog. So this is what we did. We used request render to display the template, blogger template, Gmail template, Gmap template, all those things. I think pretty much we have covered what we want to cover here. We have a dynamic template we have applied. Yeah, what is our next video will cover conditions in template, loops in template. So far we have now dynamically assigned variables to the templates, HTML template. But what if some condition we need to perform in the HTML? Did you ever seen like a condition is performed in HTML? I don't think so. But Django will be used in the when we want to perform a conditional. Also, Django in Jinja, we can use now looping some contents in HTML. So that we will see in the next video. Stay tuned. And so far, thank you very much for watching till now, and like this video. If you like the content, please give your feedback. I know I'm going a bit slow. I know I want to cover more detail, and I want to improve my video content. And I like to thank you that you're still sticking with me, and definitely give your feedback wherever possible that I will try to improve myself. Please share this video to your friends. Please subscribe this channel for more to encourage for me to spend my time to share with you my knowledge. Thank you for watching.